This is a test. This is only a test.
Hello everyone, I'm your host, Impulsive Disaster. Welcome to Impulsive Cooking. Today, we'll be making poached eggs. Whisk. A slotted spoon.
The egg.
And a bowl for the egg. Salt. Vinegar. Pot. Towel on a plate. That way you can soak up some of the water. Alright, let's begin. That's how you make a poached egg. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Please place a comment in the bottom. Any suggestions? Follow me on Twitch and subscribe on YouTube. One love.